Set up Nighthawk RAXE300 Wi-Fi 6E route. Welcome to our setup guide for the Nighthawk RAXE300 Wi-Fi 6E router. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to get your new router up and running. Start by placing the router in a central location in your home for the best coverage. Connect the router to your modem using the
2.5 gigabit
Ethernet
port
cable.
for faster internet
Plug
connectivity.
the other end of the cable into the WAN port on the
Then,
router.
plug in the other end. When the
Next,
cable is
connect
connected,
the power adapter
plug the
to the
power
router and
brick
plug it
into a
power
push the power
outlet.
button on the back of the
Press the power button to
RAXE300.
turn on the router. Once the router is powered on, grab your computer or smartphone. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for the default network name, SSID, printed on the router's label. It might look something like Nighthawk_RAXE300. Connect to this network. Open your web browser and type in www.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Press Enter to access the router's setup page. You'll be prompted to log in. Enter the default username and password. Usually, these are both admin. Click Log In. You'll be guided through the setup wizard. Here, you can configure your Wi-Fi settings. Choose a new SSID and password for your network. Make sure to select WPA3 for the highest security. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. The wizard will also help you configure your internet connection settings. After setup, it's a good idea to check for firmware updates. Go to the Advanced tab, find Firmware Update, and follow the instructions to install any available updates. Once the setup is complete and the router has rebooted, reconnect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password you created. That's it. Your Nighthawk RAXE300 is now set up and ready to provide fast and reliable Wi-Fi 6E coverage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.